Oh hey, welcome to Astrokinetics. We'll be talking about one of the cheapest training tools that you can get in your house today. And yes, it's this string. This string is attached to another small string which is attached to the light bulb that turns on and off the light bulb. You can do that yourself. You can put some tape on a string and put it on your ceiling. At one time I had about 10 different strings hanging back here that I would practice with. Get them all moving around. And I would have to avoid them all. Make sure I'm striking them all. Make sure they're all moving. Why would I use a string might be your question. Well, if you think about it, how thin is this? How accurate do you have to be when you throw a punch? Alright, I'll show you this little knot that I have right here. That little knot is what I aim for with my knuckles, the tip of my middle knuckle. That's what sticks out the most, to try to be the most accurate when practicing your shots. Alright, you can practice some jabs, some hooks, uppercuts, practice them all, practice some elbows in there. Throw some elbows, pa pa. Another reason you want to use a string is because it comes back at you. Alright, the harder you hit it, the more the bottom waves back and forth. And it starts, the whole string will wave in a pendulum motion. Meanwhile, the bottom is swaying back and forth quickly. So there's different speeds involved with this string and how fast it comes back at you. And maybe you miss. Maybe you miss. Boom. Oh! You know, I had to duck to avoid the string. Oh, I missed. It lets you practice on different skills. It's almost like having an opponent swing at you, be in front of you, and you're blocking hits. Alright, you can block hits with this string. You can duck underneath it. You could even get to a point when you're hitting it so much that you can close your eyes and predict where it's going to be. Let me show you. I wasn't hitting it every time. The point is you can use your imagination to train. You don't necessarily need a string. You can just imagine someone in front of you. You can imagine the world's best fighter in your eyes coming at you to attack you. And you're blocking these hits. You're blocking. You're moving out of the way. You're creating angles. You're coming in with an elbow. You're ducking under. Alright, you might come in with a knee. Get away. Come in with a kick. Come in with whatever you want. This is how you develop yourself, how you develop your creativity, how you develop what you want to be in life. Come in here, try to work your speed, hit after hit after hit after hit, try to keep it in the air, bouncing around. Let's grow together. Subscribe to this channel over here for more content. Can't wait to hear back from you.